Today, we are covering essential points about why decluttering is important. When we surround ourselves with only the things that spark joy, we create a sense of peace and order in our homes and in our lives. This journey of tidying is not just about discarding items, but about consciously choosing what brings us joy and letting go of what no longer serves us. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, a place where we can relax and recharge. It's where we retreat after a long day, seeking comfort and peace. A well-organized home can be a haven, providing a sense of order and tranquility. However, clutter can disrupt this sense of peace. Piles of papers, scattered toys, and disorganized spaces can create a chaotic environment. Visual clutter competes for our attention, leading to feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. It can be difficult to focus or relax when surrounded by disarray. Studies have shown that a cluttered home can lead to increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can affect our mood, sleep, and overall health. Imagine coming home to a tidy living room where everything has its place. A clean and organized space can promote a sense of calm and well-being. You can feel the tension melt away as you sink into your favorite chair, surrounded by a sense of calm and serenity. The simple act of decluttering can transform your home into a true sanctuary, reducing stress and enhancing your quality of life. Subscribe for more videos where we focus on providing valuable, practical, and interesting information that can improve your life. Clutter is distracting, plain and simple. When our surroundings are cluttered, our minds become cluttered as well. It becomes difficult to focus on tasks when we are constantly surrounded by visual noise. By decluttering our workspaces, we create an environment conducive to concentration and efficiency. A study by Princeton University found that people who worked in tidy environments were more productive and less frustrated than those who worked in cluttered spaces. Believe it or not, decluttering can have a positive impact on our physical health. When we take the time to organize our living spaces, we are not just creating a visually pleasing environment, but also fostering a space that supports our well-being. Dust mites, allergens, and other irritants thrive in cluttered environments, which can exacerbate allergies and respiratory problems. A cluttered home can become a breeding ground for these harmful particles, making it difficult to breathe and potentially leading to chronic health issues. Furthermore, clutter can create physical hazards, increasing the risk of trips, falls, and other accidents. Imagine navigating through a maze of scattered items. It's not just inconvenient, but also dangerous. By creating a cleaner and more organized living space, we promote a healthier environment for ourselves and our loved ones. A tidy home reduces stress and anxiety, allowing us to focus better and feel more at peace. Remember, a tidy home is a healthier home. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sanctuary where we can thrive physically and mentally. So, take the time to declutter and organize, and enjoy the numerous health benefits that come with it. In today's fast-paced world, our surroundings often reflect the chaos within our minds. Decluttering is not merely about tidying our physical spaces, it's a profound act of self-care and mindfulness. It's about cultivating a sense of peace, clarity, and joy in our lives. When we clear out the unnecessary, we make room for tranquility and focus. By letting go of the things that no longer serve us, we are not just cleaning our homes, but also our minds and hearts. We create space for what truly matters, allowing us to prioritize our passions, relationships, and personal growth. Remember, the true magic of tidying lies not in the act itself, but in the transformative power it has on our minds and our well-being. Embrace the journey of decluttering and discover the profound impact it can have on your life. A clear space leads to a clear mind and ultimately a happier, more fulfilled you.